If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Bitcoin with the ticker symbol BTC. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have Bitcoin. So I do like Bitcoin a lot. I do own some just in case it does ever just reverse suddenly, because these moves are extremely quick. However, I do have lower price targets where I will probably be waiting for prices to come to add to my position. So what does it look like Bitcoin has been doing? So it looks like it's been going down since November of 2021, ever since it made that new all-time high, and we've been going down ever since. So where are these short sellers targeting before getting out of their position? I'll show you guys in a second. So you can see that we've been stuck inside of this range pretty much since early May, and we did have a breakout side on the top side, which is right here. This was the breakout that failed on the top side. Bulls try to get out of this sideways motion but failed. Sellers came back in because normally breakouts fail. Now it looks like sellers are about to do the same thing, breakout on the bottom side. You can see that we're already near the lows of the range, about to stop out the long right about here underneath this candle, and even stop out the long underneath these candles right here. So this is where a lot of longs are, because they're trying to pick a bottom, but it does look like the market's pretty weak and it wants to drop lower. Now if we do break out on the bottom side, it could be more vicious than the top side, since the market is downward biased. And if we do get a breakout on the downside, the accurate target where prices will probably bounce from is at the $25,600 level. So that's my target. Looks like we got a short bias. Looks like we're about to break out on the bottom side to stop out the longs underneath these candles who have the orders placed here. And if we do get a breakout, it could be the size of the range, since we're breaking out with the trend. Now it could be, there's a small chance that this also could be a fake breakout, just like we had on the top side, and this could mark a bottom and we could see a reversal. But that, again, that's a small chance. I wouldn't be banking off of that happening. So we also do have this downtrend in play. You can see that we got rejected every time we came up to the top side of this channel, which is resistance. I'll show you guys right now with the arrow. So let me go and delete the arrows I already have placed on the chart. So it looks like we got rejected here. Excuse me. That was the drawing tool. This is the arrow tool. This confirmed the channel right here. And then we came back again, and it looks like we're finding resistance one more time. So looks like we got a downward bias. The EMA is acting as resistance also. So this chart is definitely bearish. The bulls had their chance to stop the sellers at the $30,000 level, but looks like they had no support, and looks like we're just breaking down these support levels and going to be seeing a very quick move probably in the next month or two. So I'm short bias. I don't have a short position, but I think prices want to drop lower. I'm not a fortune teller. I can't say, hey, on this date, August 21st, Bitcoin's going to bottom and we're going to see a rally. I can't do that. Technical analysis does not go that far. What I can do is show price levels that high probability price levels that the price should reach based on past history, just the way the market moves, and what traders are potentially looking at. And when traders are looking at it, they're looking at places to enter their positions and exit their positions. So these are the tools that they use to enter and exit their positions, and it works because other traders are using the same stuff. So it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Again, I'm short bias. Looks like we're probably going to be breaking down to that $25,000 level, and I don't think that's the bottom either. This channel definitely looks like it's in play, and we could see cryptos continue lower in this high inflationary market. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. And we had a nice pump up since March of 2020 from the $5,000 level all the way up to the almost $70,000 level. So that's a nice gain. You can see that people are starting to take their profits before they pretty much get stopped out or even lose all the profits they have so far. So it looks like when we see this retracement, I'm pretty sure buyers at this prior levels are like, oh my god, I'm gonna hit my break even, or I'm gonna not even make any money, so I better get out right now. So that's probably what they're thinking. And you can see that this support at the $31,000 750 level was nice and strong. We bounced from it numerous times, but recently we just broke it. We came back up to test it, and now we found resistance. You can see that tail bar had a lot of selling to it, and it closed on its low. Now we're seeing continuing selling, so that's not a good sign. I think this person can get stopped out right around that $26,000 level. What is my overall target for Bitcoin? I've been saying this, I believe, through all my Bitcoin videos. I don't do that many because a lot of bots come out in the comments and it's just annoying, even more than stocks. But I do try to clean up the chat the majority of the time. So you can see that the measure move target is still at the $12,000 level, and it makes sense because it's right at the breakout level. Normally these breakouts like to be tested. For example, we had this move up right here, and then what did short sellers do? They brought it right back at that breakout level before seeing the bounce up. So we're still continuing lower, so this is probably the breakout level they want to reach. Not a lot of support between this $30,000 level and this $12,000 level, so they can get there pretty quickly. I'm predicting maybe just sometime in July, August, we could probably get there, maybe even sooner. So we do have this, looks like this potential channel in play. I'm not saying this is what traders are looking at, but it could potentially come into play. I think they're looking at that one I had on the daily chart, the slimmer one, that's in play. But again, everything's pointing to the downside, and I'll be just waiting patiently until this price target is met. Not guaranteed, it's just more likely to occur. That's why I always have some just in case, but not a lot, because it's like I said before, it could go down a lot and it could stay down for a while before we see reversal. So that's everything I have for Bitcoin. And again, thank you for your donation. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised on what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.